Using rewards in Klarna financing is a great way to make the most of your purchases and get something back in return. To get started, you need to have a Klarna account and be using their financing options. First, understand how Klarna rewards work. Klarna offers a rewards program that allows you to earn points or vouchers on your purchases, which can be redeemed for discounts or other perks. The key is to make your purchases through Klarna and pay your bills on time to maximize your rewards. To earn rewards, simply make a purchase using Klarna financing and ensure you pay your bill by the due date. You will start earning points or vouchers that can be redeemed for rewards such as discounts, free shipping, or exclusive access to sales. The next step is to track your rewards. You can do this by logging into your Klarna account and checking your rewards balance. Here, you can see how many points or vouchers you have earned and what rewards are available to you. When you have enough points or vouchers, you can redeem them for rewards. This can be done through the Klarna app or website, and the process is usually straightforward. Simply browse the available rewards, choose the one you want, and follow the prompts to redeem it. To make the most of Klarna rewards, it is essential to make timely payments and keep your account in good standing. This will ensure you continue to earn rewards and can take advantage of the benefits they offer. Additionally, be sure to read the terms and conditions of the rewards program to understand how it works and what is required to earn and redeem rewards. By following these steps and using Klarna rewards effectively, you can get more value from your purchases and enjoy the benefits that come with being a Klarna customer. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the rewards program and make timely payments. To maximize your rewards,